Shadow here, repping 52 VTK Combat Concepts. And today we got another segment of War Wednesday. Remember, war stands for within arm's reach. And continuing in that spirit, we're going to deal with the weapons that would be within arm's reach. Things that we would have on our person and other things that we would find naturally in our environment. Something that you could have on your person that wouldn't grab a lot of notice would be the Sharpay. It's the brainchild of the brother, the Necromaker. Check him out on IG. It's a non-metallic marker, basically, right? Looks like nothing much. So you open it up, and you get a look at that point, right? That right there, you stab the hell out of somebody with that, right? And again, it's one of those low-key EDC things that you can take with you anywhere. Nobody's gonna look at it twice. Even if you take the top off and they look at it at a quick glance, not gonna notice it, right? As far as use, if you have it in your pocket, right? When you knew the situation was about to transpire, you took it out, you could uncap it, simple as that. Cap is coming off, right? It don't take a whole lot. Caps off, bam, hit him twice, right? Get him, drop his hand. The guy grabs you, shirt, arm, whatever, you hit him twice. 2 quick stabs. Make him drop his hand, turn it over, and now you're here. Right in the eye, right? Eye, neck, right? Move over a little bit to keep it frame, right? So again, you uncap it, you hit him, get him to drop his arms. You want to put that thing in there, like trying to throw a hook to the body, right? That shovel hook, right? Bam, bam. We're going to hit that just like that same power, right? You're trying to put this out of his back, touch his spine with it, right? And when you hit him like that, and he drops his hands, 1, 2, 3. That hook up top, 1, 2, 3, right? Right to the neck, boom, 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 right? So 1, 2, 3, right? Or you get a little dexterity from here, here. All right, turn my hand this way. From here to here. From here to here, right? So you want to keep your hand on as much of this real estate as possible, prevent or limit the chances of you dropping it. So you got it pinched here, turn it over, here, right? Same scenario, hit, boom, boom, here, boom, right? Boom, 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 right? Right off to the side, right in his neck. Hit him right around here, right? Hit, 1, 2, step, bam. When he drops his hands, you clear his hands. His natural response is going to be this. You stab him here, he's going to do this. It's a flinch response, right? You hit him, boom, boom. He drops here, and you're going to take your hand, get that hand, boom, and move it, give you a clear shot at that neck, right? Bam, 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 right? Boom, boom, boom. Good enough, hit him twice. Here, here, in the eye first, with a little flick of the wrist, right? So you hit him, gut, eye, neck, right? Stomach, eye, neck. And it's going off for me. All right.